Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cool 3D handprint. All you need is a pencil, a piece of paper, some markers, and if you want, a ruler. So go grab your supplies and I'll show you how it's done. We're going to start by just tracing our hand with the pencil on a piece of paper. There we go. And now we're going to go ahead and draw lines all the way up this page. I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to draw a straight line until we get to the hand. Stop there and do a bump till you get to the other side of the hand, and then carry on with the straight line across the page. So I'm going to do this with different colors all the way up the page. When you get to the fingers, you have to do a little bubble on each finger. So you're going to do a loop there, straight line here, loop, little straight line, loop, little straight line, and a loop. So do that all the way up, all of the fingers. And there we go, my cute little 3D hand. And here's the finished products of all the 3D hands we made. As you can see here, this one, I didn't leave a whole lot of white, and it really looks like it's popping off the page. So if you want to use a lot of colors and fill up that page, it looks really cool. But all the others look so neat too. McKinley made this one, my 7-year-old, and it looks awesome. So try it out and have some fun and see if you can make your hand pop off of the page too.